Welcome to my new video. Today, I'll explain how to follow someone on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, the concept of following doesn't exist like it does on social media platforms. Instead, you can connect with someone by saving their phone number in your contact. To do this, open your phone's Contacts app and add the person's name and phone number. Once saved, open WhatsApp, tap the Chats tab, and use the search bar to find their name. If the person is on WhatsApp, their profile will appear, and you can start a chat or view their status updates. That's it. While you can't follow someone, you can stay connected through chats and statuses. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips. See you in the next video.